So the first thing I want to show you is this concept of the open hybrid cloud, what we do in the multi-cloud. I have a cluster set up on Azure, one set up on Amazon, one set up on Google, one's in Iowa, one's in Ireland, one's in Sydney. I can actually see that from my major console here, my main console. So this is known as Advanced Cluster Management. It's a multi-cluster manager. We're not going to spend a lot of time on this, but just to show you that I can see everything. I can see all my clusters, what clouds they're on. And the demo I want to show you in this case is a simple little application. But here let's look at it from behind the scenes. So these individual clusters are right here. So here's my Iowa Azure. Here is my, this is my Amazon Ireland. And this is my Google in Sydney, Australia. And so those are three different clusters with the three developer experiences you see here up on top. Now, if I actually look behind the scenes, because I am both the developer, the data scientist, the administrator, the infrastructure person in this case, because I did all of these things. So I do have Azure back behind the scenes. If you're an Azure shop, you may or may not like Azure, or you might love Azure. That's there. This is AWS, right? So there's my AWS cluster running there, and this is my virtual machines running on Google. Okay, so I have all that infrastructure running just to do this little demo. So let's actually show it to you real quick. It's a simple little application that we deployed across 3 clouds. And it's kind of fun from this perspective. So I'll just type in my name, and you'll see it responds from Azure. So basically, the front end connects to the back end on Azure in this case. But if I turn Azure off, well, not that one. Let's go here and turn Azure off so it can no longer respond. Okay, so Azure is down. So where am I now? Okay, we're now on Amazon. So now messages are from Amazon. So from Amazon. Yep. And so I failed over to Amazon, and then if I come over here and kill Amazon, let's do that. So bring it down. All right. Now Google should be the next guy in line, right? So we're on Google now. So on Google. So that concept of having an application that's shared across the entire ecosystem is kind of the big deal here, right? So it's the same user experience, the same capability, the same GUI, CLI, and everything across all those cloud providers, even though they do look like this on their own, and like this on their own, and like this on their own. And you may love or hate these different consoles. Or if you're with Amazon, you may be wondering why it goes down. You know, it's been going down a lot lately. You can't get to the console. You know, so you might hate those things. But from a developer perspective, I just simply worry about these user interfaces. All right, so it's just OpenShift, OpenShift, OpenShift to me. And I can do this little failover load balancing kind of demo pretty easily.